I'm Rachele Brooke-Smith here at the Pro Experience, and I'm just talking to people throughout the night about how their experience is. How is your experience going so far?
Oh, the experience here at the party is fantastic. I love the people at Pulse Centers, and I'm here representing Life University.
And tell us a little bit about your practice at Life University.
Well, I'm actually the Vice President of University Advancement at Life University. So all about, growing the university, fundraising, developing the institution. For people who don't know about Life University, we do have 23 degree programs, but our largest program is the Doctor of Chiropractic program. So we are the single largest chiropractic institution in the world. I actually was at head office just a couple weeks ago, and can't tell you that much about it, but it was a great experience because I can tell you that I actually fell asleep while I was on it. And I know that one of our professors at Life University is actually doing research. So Pulse Centers has lent us the equipment, and research is being done in our university.
One of the things we love the most, that there is so much research behind this technology. Like so many studies, so much research, so much science-based technology. If you had to say one thing to people out there right now about this event, about the Pro Experience, what would you say?
Amazing!
Awesome.